So I'm running into this problem the past couple of days, but what do you do about clients like just on the estimate? You just already know they're going to be a huge pain in the butt.
Hey Nick, at the end of the day, you have so many customers that are coming in the next few weeks with the spring rush that honestly, you just don't want to deal with it. So either A, you give them an excuse, like they're out of your service area or something like that, or you just triple the price, just do something crazy. But yeah, don't sweat about it too much. You got a gazillion other customers coming. You got one of those other ones I can watch?
Yep, this one's got done.
Cool. Just using one of the different B-roll clips behind then? Just
Yep, I changed everything up. Audio and clips.
No, it's good. Maybe bring the background music down just a touch. But no, that's really good. I already put the first one up, and I'll get the others two up. That'd be great.
Talking about. So like, the idea is like, she has this tiny little lawn, and then the lawn chair, and it would be like 0 turns and stuff, but it just keeps going back over the hills. It's like super exaggerated.
In terms of this is for the dollar amount one?
Yeah, it could be a dollar amount, or be like, I just ordered a mow, and they show up with like tons of trailers.
Oh, okay.
So it could totally be something different, but this is just something that...
You know what, actually, this is actually a good concept, is like a little tiny lawn like that and have a massive dump truck, a massive trailer, massive mowers.
Ooh, okay.
And then like, that's kind of like mocking our own selves as landscapers. We show up with all this equipment and it's a tiny little lawn. So if we nix this part, this massive trailer's here.
Yep.
And then like maybe a 0 turn.
Just trying to over-exaggerate to the moon, where it's just like...
Yeah.
That's like where the comedy comes in. It's just like almost like a train worth of like trailers. Okay.
So, cool.
Yeah, I'll get those.
Cool. Thank you, sir.
Yep, it's all on the file for you.
You know what I could do? You know what I could do? Why don't I get my laptop and I could do like tips on your website. Like you could literally just be over my shoulder. I could be showing things on the website that you can do.
You know, we should do one of these, but with the prices, keep adding the prices here. Like just keep adding up.
Yeah.
So that, like what you'll spend your first $500 on your business.
Yep.
And then 100, or then 200 mower, 100 trimmer, etc. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Have like a little calculator.
Yep. Let me get my laptop. There's a few we could do. So when you come to the homepage, make sure your phone number is actually clickable. That when they click on it, it actually goes to calling you. Let me hear it again. All right, the first thing is make sure that this button here is actually clickable. So on a mobile device, they tap on this, it actually gives you a call. The next thing is make sure you're very clear in terms of what areas you're servicing. Whatcom County, for example, or your city name right off the bat, so they know if you actually service their property.
Give you their information. Also, check out Long Career Web Design, and we can build your website for you.
That's cool. That's good.
That's good, yeah.
Alrighty, so we're back in the studio. I'm just wrapping up working on the slideshow for tomorrow's Augusta Nation Roundtable. We have them every quarter, so you'll probably see me doing that tomorrow night. But we're back to the studio because the Anytime Fitness team meeting is every week on Wednesdays. So I have one meeting a week there. I try to drop in occasionally though, like 2 times, like for 5 minutes just to say hello. But really, I'm over there maybe an hour a week max. What's really nice is that now the studio's here and I live here, over there, and now my clothes are here, which you can just ignore those in the background right now. But what's nice is I don't have to carry a change of clothes everywhere. Like literally, when I first started the gym, I would go from like the office and like needing like, you know, office clothes, then go to the shop where there's mud and I need boots and all the rest of it, and that'd be going to Anytime Fitness, and literally my car became like a hamper of clothes. So it's kind of nice actually just to show up over here, change, and head over there. So I know some of you have probably seen inside Anytime Fitness before. It's right next to the studio where we do our franchisee training. And so yeah, let me show you a little bit around, and we're gonna have a team meeting. Today is the first team meeting since the end of the month of March. And so we go over the numbers with the team, and we have open book management where they get to see profits and all the rest of it. So that's what we're gonna be doing in today's meeting. Comcast is trying to rip us off. What'd they say?
They said there was a contract that ended, signed by Sammy. 2019. Basically, we have to call them and like set up a contract again and let them know what we want and what we don't want. Basically, this is like a automatic thing that like renews after the contract is up, and that's the pricing. So I have to call
So
back.
they're just gonna charge you for everything that they want to.
Yeah.
because
Yeah. After our
they're-
contract, it's $10 a month. Then it's gonna jump to $5,000 a month. So just make sure you give us, like that's stupid. They didn't even contact us. Like it would be one thing if it was like this great internet that we all loved. It's another thing when it is
Constant issues. It's like the main issue all the time.
a pain in the brain. So let me know, but like I do not want to be paying more than $400. Like seriously, like do you want to have food on your table and a mortgage, or do you want to have internet? We pay $500 a month at Augusta on the Guide Meridian, $500 a month for internet. It's like 3 computers. Like unless you're in a complex where they wire the whole thing and it's like, hey, if you just tap in, you pay like $100 a month. But it was gonna cost me $300 to get into my studio over here too. It's just like, well, it's commercial. I'm like, it's like 2 computers.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Christian ended up putting one of his 8 a.m.s into his 9 a.m. and didn't say anything to me, and so somebody came in yesterday for an appointment and he was training, so Tanya took it and she sold it. So.
Let's go. Okay, well, I need to give her something because she doesn't have any commission really.
And then his 3 p.m. didn't show up.
Got it. And that was one of the 5.
It's weird, she confirmed like twice. It just didn't show up.
So did Tanya knows the whole sales process then,
Yeah,
right?
she knows it all.
And she did the sale and everything? Okay, I gotta give her something because she has no like upward mobility with the training side of things.
Yeah, it's nice that she does know things for situations like, you know, with her
Like
being
a-
backup. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I just got a call from one of the trainers at Anytime Fitness. Last night, one of the members came in for a training session, a group training session, and they were high.
It's not.
Yeah,
Okay, so it's
it
drugs.
was a big switch.
Pain meds, you think?
I think so, because the way like her body was just very slow motion. She could still speak fine, like not slurring words, so I know she wasn't drunk, but her eyes were just very low, like.
Barely open.
Yeah. I'm more concerned about her safety than anything.
Yeah.
That's why I stood next to her the whole night.
It's like
I even brought her down to the ground, and even things were getting on the ground, she was falling over. So.
planking, like oh.
Exactly.
Slow motion like that.
So let me know if they need anything on the Comcast thing. If I have to call, but whatever we can do. We obviously have to sign another contract, but I do not want to be paying more. Hey, so we're over at Blaine Anytime Fitness now. Just on the other side of the wall is my studio, the training facility and all the rest of it. But this is Anytime Fitness Blaine. So I got this franchise about almost 3 years ago now. And going through 2020, learned a lot because of COVID. We had to get shut down, and everything from just leading, the members and the team here when there was mask protocols and cleaning protocols and all the rest of it. So we've kind of just recently kind of done away with a lot of those things as things have gotten better. But it was a big learning experience. Let me show you around a little bit though, and show you around the club. It's 24/7, which is really nice. So members can come in anytime, night, anything like that. Cubby system is here. Everything's under 24-hour surveillance in terms of video cameras and all the rest of it for security. But yeah, so I worked here as a personal trainer when I was 16 and 17 years old. And then we got the trainer's room here. Over here is really cool. We're able to do these body composition scans using this $7,000 scale. That's basically what it is. But it's cool. It shows you your body composition, bone mass, muscle mass, water weight, a whole bunch of really cool stuff. In this community here, a lot of our members are older demographic, a lot of retirees, and so just being sensitive to that kind of environment of the club is what we're kind of sensitive to. We don't have a lot of really heavy lifters or people using chalk, all the rest of it. We focus on training. It's really what we've done since COVID in terms of making sure that our club, really most of our revenues, not most of it, but a bigger piece of our revenues come from training instead of just 24/7 gym memberships. So around in the back here, last year we kind of took advantage of COVID and did some renovations. This used to be a room that was hardwood. It used to have the big projector, and you could have your own kind of personal studio in here. But what we ended up doing is putting it on the purple turf and making this more of focusing on training. So we put up these boards, made AF training kind of space back here. Up on the wall there, you can see we have, whenever someone's getting trained, they wear a heart rate monitor on their chest, and it allows the trainer to get really, really specific in terms of knowing how hard someone's pushing themselves. So someone can be like, oh, I'm dying, but like you can look and see that their heart rate's at a certain level. You can see their exertion rate, and then MEPs is basically showing how much energy they're actually expending. So it's really interesting because you can have two people look very similar, but because of their health and all the rest of it, one person is doing 10 push-ups and dying, and the other person doing 10 push-ups and they're fine. So you got to train them differently. So in a group setting in this kind of area, we watch that quite a bit. So you can see here that the trainers have all different whiteboards, different sessions that they have going throughout the day. And these are pretty much going 6 days a week now, the training. We used to be doing training only about $3,000 or $4,000 a month max. Last month we hit about 14,000, almost 14,000. So really happy about that. And that's because when we went through COVID and we had 25% of our members disappear, we really doubled down on training. We tripled the pricing of training to really make it a really, really good experience with a meal plan and check-ins with the trainer one-on-one, just kind of making a better package. So that's basically it. Everything else is pretty standard in terms of equipment and all the rest of it. The goal is to try to make it a culture where people want to be at, and it's not just a place to come and use equipment, but people actually have a community here. And so this is Blaine Anytime Fitness. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the day's vlog. We're gonna go ahead and check out, but we'll see you tomorrow. We got some cool stuff happening tomorrow. We're gonna go to the contractors and check out what we're doing over at Reset down in Bellingham. So thanks for coming along for the journey today. We'll see you tomorrow.